Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped now into this area that I mentioned in the previous videos, this area between 84,764 and 82,899. So it is, well, an ideal level where circle wave 3 could form a low, and one more 4-5 pattern is possible. I mentioned to you in the previous video, I think in the previous video we were still working on wave 4 potentially. Here the internal wave 4. And I highlighted one more low is likely anyway. Either way, one more low, maybe two. So I'm not sure if we get that last 4-5 pattern here, but we won't know until the price, or we won't know that the price has actually bottomed in all of the fourth wave until we break in 5 waves above $94,560 resistance. So this is the important resistance level, 94,560. And if we can break above it in 5 waves, yeah, the low is likely in and the price is likely on its way to 130,000 plus. I know it doesn't feel that way right now, but it is what it is. We had some news about tariffs today. Some people might call that bearish news. However, corrections often complete when there are bearish, or when there is bearish news, okay? So a 3-wave move into resistance would likely be the larger wave 4. And if we get a rejection at one of these levels, for example, 89,920, 92,211, or 94,560, then it's likely a wave 4 that forms a low there and would give us one more low to, in wave 5. If there is a 5th wave down to complete this correction, then the ideal target is around 79,900 for one more low. And before circle wave 5 starts, however, I would like to see a healthy 4th wave bounce. But I keep an open mind about the potential that the price could have already bottomed in the entire larger degree 4th wave correction, which started a while ago. Yeah, so obviously we started this correction already in January. No, in December actually. We have this WX. Now we're moving down in the Y wave, which, yeah, again, might be complete, might need one more low. It doesn't look entirely complete yet, this correction, but we know that in crypto sometimes that last low just doesn't happen. Now, if we zoom in a little bit further, then the price hit exactly this Fibonacci level, the 138% extension. And should we get now a small rally and a higher low, then this might be at least an AB, maybe a 1-2 structure that could then, in the next step, send the price into this resistance area between 89,920 and 94,560. So if we get 5 waves up above that level, above 94,560, then the next resistance or breakout point is the green line, located around 102,568. So for what do I expect? I mean, I'm going to go with the white scenario, but I keep an open mind that a low is already in. I bought a little more earlier today, but I keep it light at the moment until we really have a confirmed upside reversal, because this is still a falling knife, which hasn't found support yet. So the situation hasn't really changed. What has, however, happened is that the price has simply continued to follow the proposed microstructure to complete this this wave 3 to the downside, circle wave 3, yeah, within wave C of Y of the larger 4th wave. Essentially, it's just a matter of understanding that now, with the indicators being so oversold, yeah, I talked about that in the previous video, and with the price having hit support, there is a good case for at least a substantial bounce, but it hasn't started yet. So, yeah, there is really not much more to say. It was a quiet day for Bitcoin. Yep, formed the marginally lower low, but really no surprises there. Resistances did hold. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.